Have you ever noticed someone checking out your child? 1. Not my daughter, but my sister. This happened recently. I took my 10-year-old sister to Wendy's after a fun day of bike riding and playing tag at the park. After I ordered our food, I noticed a man standing a little too close to her, making her visibly uncomfortable. I motioned for her to come to me, and she walked over, but the same man followed her. As he stood near us, I caught him looking at her and whistling, then making a shocked face. Being the outgoing person I am, I turned to him and yelled, "Are you checking out my 10-year-old sister?" My outburst drew the attention of others, including the store manager, a well-built guy, probably over 200 pounds, who came over and shouted at the man, "Get the hell out of my store, you sick F." Moral of the story: take care of your sister. 2. Yes, I have. My daughter has always been beautiful, even as a child, with golden hair and a sweet demeanor. One day, we went to IHOP, and